Hey everyone, it's Miss Marisa here. I'm back to do another quick program with you guys. Today we're going to do a little science experiment and make our own bouncy ball. Now, most homemade bouncy balls use borax. It's what makes them really bouncy, but sometimes it's hard to find borax if you're not going out to the stores right now, and it can irritate some people's skin. So we're going to be making bouncy balls without borax and using just 3 ingredients to make this. Okay, what you're going to need to make your own bouncy ball is really simple. You're going to just need cornstarch, and you're going to need some water, and then if you want to color your bouncy ball so it's not clear, you're going to just need food coloring, and if you want to, maybe some glitter to make it sparkly. The other things you are going to need is a bowl to mix everything. You're just going to need a tablespoon measurement, and I'm using craft sticks to stir everything up. Okay, the first step is getting your tablespoon measurement, and you're going to put 2 tablespoons of cornstarch into the mixing bowl. You can't have this. And then next you're just going to take that same 1 table measurement spoon, and you're going to put 2 tablespoons of water into that same mixing bowl. Next, you're just going to use a spoon or a craft stick and stir all this together. And you're going to mix this all together until it is a sticky consistency. So you can, okay, and then next, you're just gonna add some food coloring to dye your bouncy ball whatever you want it to be. And then you're just gonna mix the color in. Okay, after you get the color thoroughly mixed in, you're going to put this in the microwave for 30 seconds, and the heat is going to be what bonds all the ingredients together. Okay, and then once it's out of the microwave, it's going to be hot, so you are going to let it cool for about 2 minutes before you touch it. Okay, once it is cooled off, you're going to pick up the blob, and you're going to form a ball in your hands. You're going to use the palms of your hands to roll your dough into a ball shape, and you're going to flatten out any lumps or cracks with the tips of your fingers. Okay, this is what mine looks like. Remember, if your bouncy ball isn't perfect circular, it will still bounce, but it might go off in different directions, which could also be fun as well. I notice that I tend to have a lot of cracks when I'm doing this. What I've been doing is just dabbing a little bit of water on my finger and just rubbing it over this to help kind of flatten and smooth out the ball. Okay, and then the last step to this is just letting your bouncy ball dry, and you need to let it dry for at least 10 hours, and you want to leave the bouncy ball on a table or countertop where it won't get bumped around. And before you touch it, use your fingers to see if it is hard. And I made another bouncy ball the other day, so this is what it looks like when it's hard and everything. And it should bounce. It won't be as effective as probably a borax one or one you would buy at a store, but it still does bounce a little bit and provide. Okay, that is it. That is a simple ingredients, simple science experiment craft of making your own bouncy ball without using 4x. The very cool thing about this is these bouncy balls will eventually break down and biodegrade, and you can also throw them in your compost or yard debris whenever you're done with them. So they're 100% recyclable at the same time as being a fun activity for you to do. Thanks everyone for watching. If you make this, put it below in the comments and let me see if you made what colors you made, if you added glitter to it, how they're bouncing around and how they all turned out. Reminder, all the libraries are doing curbside service Monday through Saturday from 2 to 6, and our book drops are open. Have a good day, guys.